Hey, it's Living with Chanel. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, welcome. I am glad you're here. I would love for you to join the family, so make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. In today's video, I am going to be making Churros. I love Churros and I always wanted to try it at home, so I'm very excited to make this recipe. It's pretty easy to make. It takes just a few ingredients. So let's get started. Let me show you what ingredients you need in order to achieve this beautiful snack. So here are the ingredients: all-purpose flour, sugar, salt, vanilla, butter, eggs, water, cooking oil. And to garnish the churros, we need some cinnamon sugar. If you don't have cinnamon sugar, you can do it this way. You just add some sugar and cinnamon together and you're gonna get that cinnamon sugar. So I have some cinnamon here. In my warm pot, I'm going to add the water, butter, the sugar, salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extra. I'm going to add my flour, 1 cup of flour, and stir that until you get like a thicker dough type of paste. For my Africans out there, until you get to like that fufu texture. If you're using a cast iron pot like I am doing, make sure to not have the fire too high. See, the texture is coming together, as you can see. Transfer your dough into a mixer and let it cool a little bit before you add your eggs, because you don't want the eggs to cook. Break your eggs because you're going to add them one at a time. Make sure you don't get any eggshell in there. I'm going to put my oil on the fire and let it start getting warm while this is cooling down. So this has cooled down. I'm going to lock the machine and start this at the low speed. Time to add your eggs one at a time. I'm going to check my temperature to make sure it's at 350 degrees. It's currently at 329, so I'm going to let it heat up a little bit more. Transfer the paste into the piping bag. We're gonna go ahead and fry these Churros. I already have my paper lined up there. So as soon as I get this beautiful golden brown color, I remove it. You're gonna let it cool just a few seconds and add your sugar now, because you don't want it to cool all the way down. This is the best time to add your sugar so that your sugar sticks to it.